Frittata with ricotta. I know you've made your share of frittatas, but this is one of my favorites, and I want to share with you. So we'll begin with a little bit of onions. And I like a lot of onions in my frittata. There's an affinity between eggs and onions, I think. Okay. Okay, let's put some oil. A little bit of salt. The eggs, a 12-egg frittata makes, this is a 12-inch skillet, makes a nice frittata. You only have to kind of stretch out or minimize the recipe if you want a smaller one. A little bit of salt in here. Let's whisk it. Like some fresh pepper. Some cheese, grated cheese. Gonna shred in some basil leaves. So that's the eggs. In this frittata, I'll put some tomatoes, but I want to just saute them a little bit before I nestle them in the frittata. So, okay. Put a little bit of salt on them. Just kind of to warm them up a little bit on each side. You pull up the tomatoes. We'll give just a bit of more color to the onions. Okay, so that looks good. Let's pour in the eggs. Just a little bit in between so that the eggs hit the bottom of the pan. And you lower a little bit and you want to form a base, a solid base. Let it fry on the bottom. And then we'll nestle in the tomatoes and some ricotta. And then we'll finish it in the oven. Frittatas. Frittatas, I think, is the first thing I ever cooked. It is the basic of, I think, Italian nourishment, if you will. Everybody had a few chickens and eggs were there, and there was some vegetable in the garden, some sausages hanging somewhere, and you had a great frittata. So endless the combinations of frittatas that you can make, and I still love making it. I'm checking the side here. It's beginning to solidify. Let's slide in the tomatoes. A dollop of ricotta. Just like that. A little bit of cheese to top it off. Good, we'll put it in a 375-degree oven, preheated, and this'll take 15 minutes, but you have to check it. While the frittata is in the oven, let me answer a question. And, you know, I love it when you go to my social media, you ask Lydia, and this question is from Rachel Prentice, Los Angeles, California. And she says, I always throw all my leftovers in my frittata, but is there anything you're really not supposed to add to a frittata? Well, Rachel, you got the right idea. Frittata is a great dish to throw kind of leftover, even proteins, if you have leftover meat, leftover chicken, just put it in there with the right condiments and it is delicious. The one thing that I would be careful is that whatever you throw in there is not too soupy. So if it is wet or something, drain it and then put it in your frittata. Thank you for asking, Rachel. The frittata is done. It's nice and golden, beautiful. Let's loosen it up. So I'm going to pull it right out of here. That's a beautiful frittata, don't you think so? See, they have the ricotta has nice solidified, the tomatoes, the basil in there. Now, you could leave it like this. It's great for brunch. It is great for breakfast. It is a great lunch. You can make it before, and you can serve it at room temperature. So there's a lot of options with a frittata. Masterclass Frittata Basics. A frittata is a great way to use up leftovers. Start cooking on the stove to form the bottom crust. It can be finished on the stove or in the oven. Serve it as you like it, hot or at room temperature. Remember, frittata can reward you for many meals to come. Let me cut a little piece for me. Inside, the onions, the basil, and you know what? It doesn't need anything else at all. What would I put next to it? Not a single thing. Some good toast if it's for breakfast. If I did this as an appetizer, then I would mix a nice salad and serve it at room temperature with some salad on the side. But I think just presenting it like that is really beautiful. So I'm going to take off the tip right like that. You see underneath, it is nice, just perfectly. That's when we made the crust underneath before. Let me taste it. Delicious. Juicy, the tomatoes are juicy, sweet. It's just great. And you know, I'm gonna cut this up and I'm gonna invite you. And as we say at my house, tutti a tavola a mangiare. Salute!